Welcome to the in front of me Realme 9, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the sound mode section, and just to activate the silent mode you should switch ringing on silent mode. And now we can see that the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. Here we can see that bell icon, so this means that we just successfully activate the silent mode. To turn it off, you just should switch the silent to the ringing, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open the notification panel, and here on the top bar you should find the ring icon. So click here twice on this icon, and now we can see that we just successfully activated the silent mode. To turn it off, you should click here once again on this bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.